I survived the 1 week TikTok detox, and here are the 7 lessons I've learned. As someone na chronically online, I still can't believe na na-survive ko yung ganun. But anyway, stay. Number 1 is that we watch the life of others more than our own life. Number 2 is that we lost more connection to the real world. Pansin ko lang, te, during this, social media detox, parang yung one day, te, is ang haba, marami kang pwedeng gawin, marami kang pwedeng matapos. But if nasa online ka, te, parang hindi mo napapansin na 7 PM na pala. Number 3 is that we consume more than we create. Like, I realized na napaka-consumer pala natin. You are what you consume, te. The more na mas negative te yung feed mo, the more na magiging negative din yung mindset mo. Number 4 is that we waste so much time to spend it with nature, with our family, with our friends in real time. Marami akong na-discover ng mga hobbies ko, te, like cooking for my family, yung ulam namin, te, ako na yung nagduluto, you know what I mean? Sometimes, te, you just need to touch some grass. Diba, te, sabi ng mga parents natin, yang putang inang phone na yan, sorry sa pagmumura, te, but minsan talaga, te, it's that damn phone. Not everything you see is real. Ang dami mga negative contents, te, every time na nasa FYP tayo, diba, corruption here, barilan dito, war dito, ganyan-ganyan, te. But around 4th day ko na din sa social media detox na to, but I went to Jollibee, te, and grabe, it was one of the most genuine, real-life experiences, te, that I've had. Ayoko umiyak, te, but it's so, I know, merong mga bata, te, playing outside the Jollibee restaurant. And during that time, te, merong party sa 2nd floor. I was so happy, te, because yung parang yung family, te, nung nagpapa-birthday is that in-invite niya lahat ng mga bata na nasa labas ng Jollibee. I don't know if mga bad show yun sila or basta, te, alam mo, te, yung parang feeling nung bata pa tayo, te, na merong mascot na Jollibee, and then parang natatakot tayo, and at the same time happy tayo na para bang this is party life, ganun-ganun, te. Yun yung feeling ng mga bata, te, na nasa labas. And once they meet Jollibee, like yung mascot na Jollibee, it was grabe, te. Hindi ko na-realize, te, na I want to build a foundation for children. Ganun, te. Parang nagkaroon pa ako ng advocacy. Number 6 is that do not wait for perfect time to do something. You know what, te? During my social media detox, te, nag-zipline ako, te. Ganun. Hindi na ako nag-antay ng mga ayan ng mga friend. I just did it, and it is one of the most, I can say, facing my own fears. Ira ko, te, na-face ko talaga yung fear ko, but yeah. And last but not the least, te, is lesson 7 is that it's really okay to take a rest and choose yourself. You know, te, as someone na influencer and my work is online talaga, I want to be transparent, but nababurn out din talaga ako, te. Parang yung motivation ko is parang nawawala rin paminsan-minsan. I feel so tired, drained, I don't know what content to put out. Sometimes you need to listen te sa katawan mo kung ano yung sinasabi ng body mo, te, na you need to rest, you need to touch some grass. Then listen with that because yun talaga yung kailangan mo during that time. And I really recommend you te, to do social media detox. Kahit 3 days lang yan, te, 1 week, 1 month. Before, te, 1 month before nung hindi pa ako nag-start as an influencer, te, I did it. And it was one of the most peaceful moment I've had. Over naman, te. But yeah, do the social media detox, te, if kaya mo. That's all I'm for more.